Hey, we're approaching 2024. What's your New Year's resolution? Have you given it any thought? Well, I have given some for myself. Do you know that a few years ago, right before the shutdown, I said to myself, being an entrepreneur and everything, you know that social media is the way to go in boosting any business in today's economy. So I said, all right, I'm going to launch my YouTube channel and promote my business through YouTube and all of that. And guys, every single time I say I'm gonna do it, something else happens. And this year I tell myself that it's approaching the end of another year and the beginning of a new one, 2024. And 2024 is not going to catch me without my channel. With everything that I want to do, I am going to post it there. So, as I'm getting ready to get out of here, of course, I want to go and see the fireworks and everything and, do the countdown and cheer and all these things. But I'm taking a moment just to reach out to you and implore you, encourage you. Guys, it's not too late. Sit down, write down your New Year's resolution. Even if you do 1 out of 10, you're going to be better off accomplishing 1 versus none. I'm just saying, it's a new chapter, it's a new year. Let us make this year count. This is the year for all of us. For those who are out there who have not gotten their properties yet, hey, this is your girl, Liz, alright? Leave it to Liz and Liz will take care of it all for you. Alright, so again, sit down, write. It doesn't even matter. We don't even use papers anymore. Just take your phone, go on your phone, go on your notes, jot it down, okay? New Year's resolution for me. Alright, even if it is to say, alright, then listen, I was having too much candy last year. I'm gonna cut down on the candy this year. Instead of watching 6 hours of TV, I'm gonna cut it down to 4. And then the 2 hours that I'm gonna be saving there, I'm gonna do something constructive, something that is going to elevate us, because again, this is the year of success. 2024 is our year to shine. Guys, I am telling you, write down all that you want to do for 2024 and take it 1 step at a time. My mother used to say, do you know how you eat an entire cow? Was it a cow? Listen, in the comment section, tell me if it was a cow or if it was a chicken. But it's one of them. She said that you eat it 1 bite at a time. So I'm just saying, guys, it's 1 step at a time. Write them down. Tell yourself that, listen, I am going to take this one off my list and I'm going to just do it. And I'm just saying, 2024 is your year, guys. This is the year of your success. Nobody is going to make your success come true, only you. And listen, I know you can do it. If I can do it, you can. And listen, just hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you're about. And you never can tell. We can share 1 and 2 ideas, Listen, this is a journey for all of us. I am sharing my journey with you. Feel free to share your journey with me. Alright? Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let us walk into 2024 together. And we will hold each other's hand. Alright? Listen, guys, I have to go. I need to go and watch my fireworks and bring in the new year. So it's 2024 again, as I said. I love you so much. Have a wonderful year coming. All the best. Listen, prosperity is yours. Success is yours. all everything that's good is yours. All right? It's just for you to just reach out and catch it. All right? So again, guys, I love you. And again, oh, sorry for the mess here. I do apologize. I am getting ready to get out. It's a girl thing. Well, girls, you know what I'm talking about. So, again, 2024 is here. And I just want to say welcome into 2024. All the best for 2024. And I will see you in 2024. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video, and listen. Leave a comment in this comment section below. And of course, we will walk into 2024 together. Take care, guys. Mwah.